Hey loves, so today we're gonna do a tutorial. A tutorial, I don't know why I said it like that. Whatever look you saw in the beginning. I'm not 100% sure what kind of look I'm gonna do today, but I have an idea. A lot of you guys wanted a recreation of the look I wore in my last 2 clothing hauls because I did 2 try-ons in one day, so I didn't film a tutorial because those are quite time consuming. So we were gonna do something similar to that. The palette I used for that was the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, so I'm probably just gonna dip into this guy. I do have some new lashes and stuff I want to try out from ColourPop, so we're just gonna play and do something similar to that. All right, so we're gonna jump in. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. Let's do this. Let's see, first I'm gonna prime. I already moisturized and put eye cream on my face, but I'm gonna prime. I'm just gonna use the Revolution Pro Featherweight Primer, Perfecting Featherweight Primer. You guys know what it is. It's one of my faves. And I'm out of my Color Efex mattifying primer for my nose, so I'm just gonna skip it today. It's cool. All right, we are looking quite fair these days. That was a nice moment of tanness. I honestly might self-tan again because I do enjoy it. And I feel like I look much less dead on camera. I look like a ghost. It's fine. I mean, I love my pale skin, don't get me wrong. But it is fun to change sometimes. And I feel like my makeup, I can use different makeup when I'm a little more tan. And that's always exciting for me. What are you called? It's like the Drop Liquid Foundation. These guys are each $1.88. I'm gonna use a little more porcelain than Fair Ivory because, again, we fair. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my Shop Miss A Wonder Blender, my fave. Why don't we make this an affordable tutorial? Let's do that, because I can do that completely. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. Mine is in the fair shade, which is Fair Porcelain. We're just going to blend that out again. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with my favorite powder. This is the Physicians Formula Mineral Curling Powder in Translucent. I have a couple new powders. I kind of, This is like a skin finish. Let me see. The packaging's broken. I tried to fix it. This is from Revolution Pro. So is this. This is their Hydra Matte Translucent Setting Powder. And then this is their skin finish in Luminescence. I think it needs to be glued back in. It doesn't really snap back in. So I need to fix that. I think I'm gonna put a little bit on my cheeks. Let's try. Let's try. Oh yeah, that doesn't give like an overly glow. I'm sure you could use it as like a subtle highlight if you wanted, but I feel like it just kind of gives you a very light luminous effect. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Let me see. I'm gonna kind of layer it up on my cheek and see if that... It does give a little bit of a glow, but it's very, very subtle. But this is absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. Love. I'm gonna wait to try this one. All right, brows, which is funny because I just brought a new brow boss because I was doing my brows a little bit darker because of my roots. And now my roots are a nice yellow shade, but we're just gonna go with it anyway. I got the shade Light Brown. I normally use blonde, I think, but I've been liking a more structured brow, and that's really hard to get with how dark my brow hairs are and how light of a brow pencil I was using. So I'm just gonna pop my brows on really quick. I'm gonna definitely speed through it because it's boring. The darker I do my brows, like the quicker process goes too, because it easily fills in my sparse areas. All right, our brows are on, messy per usual, but I just sometimes can't be bothered. We're gonna go ahead and contour because I like doing that first now. It's weird. I used to always do my eyes and then my face makeup, and now I've been loving doing my face makeup and then my eyes. I don't know why. I've been really loving this bronzer. I'm sure you guys are not shocked because it's from Revolution. This is their Mega Bronzer, their Mega Bronzer in Cool. And it's like a really nice neutral tone. It isn't, you can see it's not super cool, but I like it. I've been liking a more neutral contour these days. This will forever be my favorite contour brush. It's actually a blush brush from Vasanti. I got it in a beauty box. This is the Blush 7 brush. And this is just, it's hard to go overboard with this contour, and you guys know I love a lot of contour, and I mean, I can go overboard, but it just blends out so nicely. Like you can see there's kind of a straight line, but it blends and it never looks super harsh. I think we're just gonna go ahead and use the Reloaded blusher in Sweet Pea again. I'm just gonna use my ColourPop F9 brush. It's my favorite blush brush. Such a subtle blush, but again, this is one that's really hard to go overboard with, even if you're as fair as I am. And this is just my type, and then this is Set the Tone, both obviously from Revolution, and I've been loving mixing them. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna start with What's the Tea, which is my favorite one to start with all the time. Oop, I've been wearing this nonstop. I'm gonna take that same shade, the lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this tutorial with Luna on my lap. Let's see how far we get. The next shade we're gonna use is Boss Angeles, which is this guy right here. It's gonna be mostly focused on the outer corner. I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of Hi Dude, this dark brown, and this fluffy, it's like a fluffy blender from Dominique Cosmetics. It's the Blend and Shade brush. Tiny bit, tiny bit. And that I'm just gonna place out here. Ooh, girl needs to wax her nose. I'm just gonna mix those last two, which were Boss Angeles and Hi Dude. Mostly Boss Angeles with just a tiny bit of Hi Dude. And I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line, focusing on the outer half. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so the lid shade that I started with was 2, which I have become completely obsessed with. And it's like this pink with glitter in it. Oh, it's so frosty and so beautiful. So I'm gonna put that on the lid. And I'm just gonna use my fingertip. It seems like such an odd mix of shades to do the baby pink with these really warm shades, because it's pretty cool toned with like some super warm tones, but once you add the silver glitter on, it just all like meshes together, I feel anyway. And I love mixing warm tones and cool tones. It's like my favorite thing. All of my favorite eye looks that I've ever done have been warm and cool tones mixed. The glitter liner we're going to use is from Profusion. I've really been loving their glitter liners. This one is in Crystal Diamond. And I'm gonna start with my like outline. I'm gonna go ahead and do my winged liner. I'm gonna use my favorite combo, which is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black. And then when I have glitter on, I always go over it with the Revolution Renaissance Flick, because this covers glitter much better than this guy does. Then I'm just gonna take my black Ulta liner in Onyx and just line right down here, just so it connects the liner all together. I'm just gonna buff that. Ooh, this eye just wants to water. Girl. Ooh, it's time for the lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my mascara and lashes off camera. I'm just gonna use my, I need to check off the packaging. It's definitely open. Definitely been using it, just haven't taken off the plastic. This is the Blowout High Volume Mascara from Revolution. So I'm going to use this guy. And I always like to use a primer on my lower lashes when I wear false lashes so that my lower lashes are a little bit longer. So I've just been using this CoverGirl Lash Blast Amplifying Primer. So I'm going to use these two. And then the lashes I'm going to use today, I don't know what possessed me because I always just buy $1.88 lashes or dollar lashes from Shan. But these ColourPop ones, the packaging and everything just got me. So I picked up these two pairs. These are $8 each. So even though they are affordable for what they are, Shan is more affordable, but I love me some ColourPop, so I want to give them a try. And you are supposed to be able to use them multiple times, but I can use the Shan ones multiple times too. So I mean, you know, you wear whatever lashes you want. Don't wear any lashes. But I'm kind of excited to try these. I kind of want to wear the mommy lashes. Look at these. Oh girl. Oh girl, those are bold. Those might be too long for me though. This one is mommy. Oh, queen. I love these. We're just gonna go with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those all on and I'll be right back. And I'll give you like a little update about what I think about these lashes. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. I'll be right back. All right, here's what we're looking at. Everything is always so much better with lashes. Oh my goodness. These are really beautiful. I don't know, I mean, I love them, don't get me wrong, but I don't know if I can justify to continuously spend $8 on a pair of lashes, but I love them. They're beautiful. Let's do an inner corner highlight and then we will do a lip and then we are good to go. We are just gonna do Welcome, which is this little beauty right here, a nice frosty shade. I love an inner corner highlight. I feel like it just completes a look. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this e.l.f. liquid lip in, what are you called again? What are you called? Oh, Tea Rose. It's very small, Tea Rose. So we're gonna use e.l.f. liquid lip in Tea Rose and then the lip liner from Ulta in Bloom. I did fill in my lips quite a bit because this lip from e.l.f. does tend to kind of wear off in the center of my lips when I wear it for a long period of time, but I love the colors to match that. I live with it. I love the little applicator on this too. It's so pointed, so pointy. I love it. All right, love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, and let me know what kind of tutorial you want to see next down below. I can't wait to do a holiday look. I was going to do this with a red lip, but I definitely wear it most often with this kind of lip. But I think the next tutorial will be a holiday tutorial. If you guys have a palette in mind that you would like to see a holiday tutorial on or anything like that, let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Let's be friends, okay? Okay, okay, bye. In the beginning, I'm not 100% sure what kind of look I'm going to do. I just threw my Jeffree Star palette. Please don't be broken. A beep boop, a beep boop, a beep boop, a beep boop, schneep schnop.